Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the new episode of Explore China with us. Viewers, today we are going to take you towards a very beautiful area of the Hangzhou, and that is the Jinsha Lake. And this lake is actually the very sandy lake, means the Jinsha means the sand. Here is the sand. People come here with their kids, with their families, and they play with the sand. And also in this busy routine, when they want the fresh oxygen, they come here to play here. And you can see behind me is the O for oxygen. So let's go to take the fresh oxygen. Viewers, finally we have reached to the corner of the lake, and this Jinsha Lake, you can see there is a hustle and bustle. A lot of people come here with the families. Even my one friend Hafiz going there, and with his family, and many other guys are here. You can see the kids are playing here. We can take you there. There is the one, they make some place of the sand, and the lake corner. Here are the coffee shops, refreshment corners. And when you come here, you really enjoy this environment and have the fresh oxygen. So let's go. Viewers, here you can see there are some families. They are doing some kind of picnic. You can see their kids are playing. Here are some grandparents, the old age people. They also come here to enjoy this environment, the fresh natural environment, because this is the lake corner. There is a sand. People are playing in the sand. We will also show you some kids are playing there with the sand. And also you can see so many people are here with their families. Some are with their couples. Some come here alone. So this is really very beautiful area of the Hangzhou. And if you come to the Hangzhou, then try to visit this Jinsha Lake. Viewers, behind me you can see here is the sandy shore. And they place a lot of sand, and you can see the kids are playing in here, and they have their tools to dig the holes. They are making some kind of homes, the artificial homes with the sand. They are playing with the sand, and you see the families are also here. And this is the evening time, and the people mostly come here in the evening time and are early in the morning, because these two times there is very fresh air. Viewers, this is the twilight time, and you know the twilight time is always be very ideal to take the pictures. Behind me you can see the people are taking the pictures in the groups, individual, and here you can see towards this side they are doing some kind of constructions, and I hope in the near future there will be so many shopping malls here, and some visiting place. Many things. You can say that the China is going to develop day by day more and more, and they are not leaving even a single corner where they are not building something new. And you can see here are so many companies are working, many construction sites are there, and now I am at the corner of the lake. Viewers, this time you can see the water level in the lake is very low, but in the spring season, when there is enough water, people come here for the boating also. Behind me is one boat also, and here some families they are doing the camping. Many families they come with the camps to have some kind of picnic, and they stay here for some time. They play here, they do some kind of barbecue, they enjoy here, and when they get tired, then they go back to their homes. And you can observe here, you see this is the real natural site, and they are not modifying the real natural beauty of this lake. Along the corners, along the other side, they have built up many things, but the real nature of the lake is still in its original form. Viewers, know I am inside the sand, and it gives me the feel like a mini desert in the city, but I don't have the tools to play with this sand, but I just can walk in the sand. Viewers, here you can see here is the camping food. I think one family just leave their food here, and they have gone towards another side. But I want to share with you the people in the China, all the community, they have been taught this thing, and they are very civilized. When they go anywhere in any public place to do the camping, to play there, for the time being they will use many facilities of that area, they will eat there, but when they will go back, they will clean all the area very well. And if anyone else just visit there, and they will come to know that it is so clean that no one have even visited this point. So this is very good habit of the Chinese people. Viewers, behind me you can see the tall buildings, and these buildings have all the necessary facilities for the families. They can come here, they can have the coffee, they can shop something, there are the grocery stores, there are the restaurants, so that they are going to facilitate the families who visit the Jinsha Lake. Viewers, this is November and the next month is the December. So before the December in the China, all the public places, the shopping malls, they decorate the Christmas trees. And you can see here they have decorated one big tree with a lot of lights and the bubbles and beads with the different colors. This is the one example here. And when there is the December, in the full December, in all the shopping malls, in all the small shops and the big shops, when you will visit there, they will play the Christmas songs and they will decorate the Christmas trees. So this is also one interesting information about the China. Viewers, along my left side you can see this is like one small hill, and they also make the tunnels along it. Small kids are playing here and they can have the enjoyment that they are climbing the mountain and they are passing through the tunnel. So this is one small playing activity in the Jinsha Lake. Viewers, outdoor sitting in the China is very rare, and here you can see these are some kind of refreshment points, some restaurant and some cafeteria, but they have very beautiful outdoor sitting points also. This is, I think, Chi Chi's kitchen. So they have this umbrella, means give the real look that you are at the mini desert or the seashore, and there is one umbrella and you can enjoy your food here, and people can also come here for the sun bath. Viewers, toy sellers are everywhere in the public places, especially the picnic points. You can see behind me these are the fluffy toys, and one aunt is selling here. So the kids like this thing very much. They have the gas and kids play with these toys, these fluffy toys. Viewers, along the lake you can see this is one jogging track, and in this jogging track even they have placed the seats. If some people they want to do the jogging in the evening time or in the morning time, and if they get tired they can have the rest at various intervals. There are the very beautiful chairs and they placed here. Viewers, this is the evening time and everyone is going back to the home. So I want to share with you that China is a really very developed country, and they have built up so many things, and in the city life the land is utilized for the high buildings and many things, but really in this time still China try to make some natural scenic point for the people who live in the city, so that they can come there and they can have the natural breath and they can enjoy that environment. Hope you like our video. If you like our video, then please subscribe our channel, like it and share it, and wait for the next episode. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.